declutter. I say that loosely because springs in Utah are very bipolar. You'll have a 72-degree day and then a week later we'll have snow. But we have been enjoying all the springtime things this past week. We've been on endless walks. We have the doors wide open in the house and we are just doing all of the fun activities outside. I've actually been moving my tulip bulbs from one area that we are going to re-landscape to another this week, and it's just been busy. It's been so good. Just be able to be outside, grounding in the sunshine. And today I wanted to take that freshen up feeling that we get from spring and take it into my kitchen, into my house, and declutter, wipe down shelves, the shelves over my stove. I clean about once a year. I know that's horrible because they really get dusty, but it's a big job. We have oils from our stove that kind of collect in the dust, so I have to do like a soap mixture with a warm rag, get that all clean. I also want to reorganize all of my hutch today. So I'm going to be taking everything out of my kitchen hutch. I'm going to wipe down all of my shelves and kind of just give everything a refresh, redo. So I'm going to take you along on that today, and I hope you enjoy. Dishes back in. I usually put kind of decorative things on the very top shelf, the shelf that I don't use as much, or honestly ever. I don't think I've ever used the dishes on my top shelf, but they're pretty. They came with the house and it's something that fills it up there. I think I will keep the plates. Obviously I'll keep the plates here and the bowls here, and then I might keep things pretty much the same. But I'm going to move the goblets from here because I'm actually going to put some new goblets that I got from Walmart. They look like glass, but they are plastic and they are so beautiful. And I want to put them here so that they're easily accessible, but they're also like beautiful. And I'm also going to redo the other side as well, but we're just going to start here. Came from my grandpa, and my mom gave them to me, and I'm not sure if they were purchased at like the beginning of my grandparents' marriage. I kind of remember the story that these were like a wedding gift, or that they bought these when they were first married, my grandparents. So these are really special, and I think I'm gonna put them on this shelf. I don't want it directly across because I don't want like a whole like line of goblets, but I think they'll look good a shelf above. Jars with cocoa powder, all of those things sitting here, maca powder, things that I actually don't use, and they've just sat here taking up space. So I'm definitely, I'm not gonna put them back in here. I thought, you know, maybe I should just make it more beautiful. And we can put our trifle dish in here, things like that. I think I'm liking that better because I'm not staring at a bunch of jars that I honestly don't use, and the things that I do use, I definitely can find a different place for. So I want to find another thing to go here. So I'm gonna look around because I'm sure I have something. It just feels so good to have everything totally clean and totally fresh. Now that the kitchen is deep cleaned, I'm going to go through and just do a quick tidy up. Typically I do this with my kids where I do a 5-minute pickup, or I say everybody pick up 10 things, just depending on how big the mess is. But today Sophie and I are just going to kind of pick up, and we've also decided that we are going to put up our Easter decorations because nothing says spring like Easter decorations throughout the house. I I have mentioned in previous videos my love for faux flower arrangements. I absolutely love real flowers. Nothing is better than real flowers. However, I love having color throughout my house all year long, and having some really good faux arrangements is just perfect. And these faux tulips I found on Amazon. They are amazing. I will link them below. It's the perfect addition to our table. I also added some new Easter decor this year. We absolutely love celebrating Easter. There's nothing like Easter decor right now, where everything is coming alive, and we love adding touches of springtime and Easter throughout the house to get everybody excited for the upcoming season. One of my favorite things as a mom is creating memories and nostalgia for my children, especially surrounding holidays. So putting up all of our Easter decor today was so fun. All of the kids were involved. I know you don't see them in this video, but they were a part of every single step of putting these decorations together, and I love involving them. No matter what season, month after month, we are celebrating something, whether it's a birthday or the 4th of July. We absolutely love it, and I am going to also put up our springtime garland. This is something that we bought from Balsam Hill. We love bringing this out year after year. It is so beautiful, and our home is such a jewel of the community, and so it's really fun for us to make it even more beautiful by putting up all of our outdoor decorations. I know that people absolutely love them, and we love them too. I hope that this video inspires you to freshen up your home, make it beautiful. It will lift your spirits, and I know that your children will love it, and everyone who steps through those doors will love it as well. And I hope you have a wonderful day.